Hello, my name is Bu Fan, and today my topic is knee arthritis. Knee arthritis is used to happen in the elderly groups, but nowadays young people are more and more likely to get arthritis, because they are now working more time in front of the computer without doing exercises, and some of them changing the life habit and do not have enough time to sleep. Also, some of them do not take care of themselves well. It is quite important to keep warm when the temperature suddenly decreased. Besides these, doing sports too much or doing exercises in a wrong way can also increase the possibility of getting knee arthritis. First, let's see the construction of the knee joint. The knee joint is made up of the femur, tibia, patella, along with the synovial membrane, which contains synovial fluid. Synovial fluid acts as a lubricant in the knee joint. The end of femur is covered in articular cartilage, which moves against articular cartilage of tibia. In a healthy knee, the articular cartilage is smooth, without fissuring, and the bone is smooth. The synovial fluid is viscous, aiding in lubrication. The knee can move through its range of motion without pain. When we are getting old or using the knee joints in a wrong way, our knee joints may face with the problem of pain and inflammation. When our knees start to degenerate, we will feel it hurt badly when we are walking or running, because our knee needs to support our body and take a lot of pressure during these motions. After being caught by the knee arthritis, the patient will suffer more in the daily life. Because of the causes of the knee arthritis are different from one another, so how to treat is based on its specific situations. When people start to feel uncomfortable in their knees, if the doctor thought there are no need to do the surgery, people can do some simple treatments by themselves under the advices of the doctor. Devices shown here is one of them that can be wear on the leg. And then, as soon as you press the start button, it will start to vibrate and relax your leg and joints by electricity impulse. This is very convenient to those who are busy working, because you can do other things when you are using this device. And doing sports like riding bicycles and swimming, they are two kinds of sports that can relieve stress from the knee joints. When people are doing these two sports, the knee joints are more relaxing than other sports. For example, when riding a bike, we can sit, and when we are swimming, there are many float force in the water to make it easy for us to hold the joints. Also, there is another Oriental way to relieve the pressure, which is called moxibustion. Usually, knees can be moxibusted by a moxa stick for 5 to 7 minutes at a distance of approximately 5 centimeters. The smoke from the stick will heat your knee joint and will dredge the qi and blood. At the same time, the nerve in the knee will be stimulated, so that the patients will feel relaxed and refreshed at this moment. If the patient is heavy, then the weight loss of the body is also important, because the weight will also create extra pressure on the knees. By losing weight, these people will become healthy in every aspect. As we all know, prevention in advance is more important than the treatments after we got the arthritis. So, let's see some tips here. First of all, the food. We need a healthy diet. Calcium is quite crucial to our bones. Eating food that contains a high level of calcium is good for our bones and muscles, such as milk and vegetables. They are good for both elderly people and the children. Another way is to do the exercises of the muscles regularly. Here is a useful exercise that related to the arthritis. As you can see in the picture, the woman is training her thigh muscles on the chair. This muscle is at the very front of the thigh, and it is one of the strongest one among all the muscles. Researchers found that training this muscle appropriately can slow down the development of arthritis, and it has some contributions on relieve the pain. AAOS also considered these kinds of exercise as the first way to fight against arthritis. We can see that the first step of this exercise is to put your feet flatly on the ground, and then Slowly lift the leg without any movements of other parts of the body. Finally, your leg will become straight in the air, and you can keep it for a while and put it down slowly afterwards. Doing this several times as a group, and do several groups at one time, can train your muscles and joints in a gentle way. Among all over the world, knee arthritis takes a huge part in the arthritis, and females are more likely to get this than males. Many people would feel anxiety after they knew that they got this disease. And these kinds of emotions are not good for them to recover. So, in this case, we need to help them to overcome the anxiety with them together. Also, we need to pay more attention to the people who got arthritis around us and wish all of them can become healthy again. Thank you.